All right, let's talk about the price match guarantee, the big elephant in the room that freaks some people out, and like how to present it without being like, but wait, there's more, right? Because that's what it feels like sometimes, right?
To you.
To me.
You say that all the time.
I do say that all the time.
I just get excited because for me, it's a way to like just more easily close the sales. Like, hey, like don't worry, like we're here, we're trusted, we got a price match guarantee. We're not here to take you for everything that you've got. So 2 different ways of looking at it.
Right.
But we just wanted to shoot this video and discuss the intricacies of the price match guarantee because when presented correctly, it can help you close today.
That's right. Yeah, and honestly, like I could have just used it on John with a new house. Like, oh, John, let's just get this under contract because we have the price match guarantee I told you about. So, yeah. Like
we forget, which is one of the main points we want you guys to get from this video is that bringing up this price match guarantee, helping them feel comfortable signing you over a big fat check. You can mention it multiple times,
right.
multiple times throughout the process as a reminder. Hey, you know, worst case scenario, you signed with us, and then you've got a full 12 months to go ahead and price match. And if you can get it in writing, then we will write you a check for the difference.
That's it, yeah. And you know, something that I've done in the past, and I've kind of got away from it for some reason, I would go over the value stack right at the beginning. Like before I even did my inspection, I'd sit down, I'd do the questionnaire, and then I'd be like, hey, I want to go over this really quick because these are some warranties, guarantees, all this. We're gonna go in depth on them in a little bit, but I just kind of want to read them off to you because the last thing I want is for it to come off as salesy when I do it, all right? I have like this affinity to not be a super sales person, all right? And so my whole goal is to be a consultant when I'm there. And that worked really, really well, actually. And I got away from it for some reason. So maybe I'll go back to it.
Yeah, I mean, it's a good way to basically pre-frame people.
Right.
And also, it is a very comforting statement.
That's right.
If they see it right up front, oh, you guys have a price match guarantee, like without even mentioning it. Like,
that's right.
So we're one of the highest priced companies in our area.
Right.
But that doesn't mean we can't benefit from Walmart's tactic of a price match guarantee. And I want to just quickly explain before we mention the other benefits and when you should bring it up, the main reason why this price match guarantee works so well. So it's basically it's a true trick, meaning it's true what we're saying. It's 100% a promise. But at the same time, it's a psychological trick because at the end of the day, very few people are gonna actually implement and use the price match guarantee the way we present it, which is anytime over the next 12 months, you can get as many quotes as you want after the fact, after the install. And if you get in writing exactly what we've provided for you today, and you can show us that somebody would have done it for less, then we will write you a check for the difference. Okay, so if you've already bought, name anything, $40,000 vehicle, brand new house, a brand new computer.
Simple $20 earbuds.
Yeah.
Right? Like anything, if you've bought anything, you're not gonna keep going and shopping for that and then go through the hassle of trying to get money back.
Exactly.
All right?
Exactly.
So, but at the same time of the psychological trick of it, it eliminates the excuse for them to price shop.
Exactly.
Like, you know what? Yeah, I want to get a few more estimates. Well, hey, that's completely fine. You can get not just a few, you can get a few hundred if you want.
Yeah.
Because we have a price match guarantee. So we can solve the problem for you right now, and then you can have as many people as you want come by and quote it. And if they will put everything that we will in writing, we'll reimburse you the difference.
Yep.
And they're like, oh, okay, that makes a little bit of sense.
So it helps people comfortably decide to go ahead and buy.
That's right.
And as sales reps, we've mentioned multiple times, your main job is to make people feel as comfortable as possible doing a hard thing. In this case, that hard thing could be that they're writing you a $20,000 check, right? Your job is to make them feel as comfortable as possible. And that's why this price match guarantee should be mentioned multiple times. It should be presented the right way. And you should like remember to bring it up in case the customer decides, hey, like I wanna think about it, I wanna shop around. Oh, wait a second, remember, here's another reason why you should go ahead and decide today. Now we have a few points that we want to point out before we jump off this video. So benefits. One, it takes away the excuse to price shop. We mentioned that already. Two, it should be mentioned multiple times. Do not be afraid to mention it multiple times at the right points in order to help you close the sale. Three, it builds massive trust.
Yep.
Yeah. And the reason for that is because basically you're saying, hey, we're not scared. We're not scared of the competition. We know that we offer a superior product, but just in case you find somebody that you think is better, we will price match them if they're providing
in theory, somebody could catch on that we're doing this. If Daniel's a competitor, and he could run an ad that says, hey, if you had one-way exteriors out, let's take advantage of their price match guarantee. I'll put everything in writing, we split the money. Like, in theory, that could work.
That would be a while.
That would be pretty crazy.
They would be advertising for us.
That's right, exactly. So,
other than that, so yeah, it helps you close today. And then the value. When you're going and presenting this, a lot of times we tell people, if you price matched and found a few people, you might find somebody that will do this job for around $1,000, yes, so less. So the value of this is probably around $1,000 to you. So we'll put that down as a $1,000 value.
Cool.
Now, in the case where it's like a bigger ticket sale, let's say it's a $50,000 roof. We might put that value at $2,000.
Or maybe even like $3,000.
Yeah, or maybe even $3,000. So I mean, don't overdo it though. Don't say, yeah, you might find somebody that's gonna do it for $15,000 less.
Right.
So keep it like within a realm of real possibility. If somebody is giving you that same GAF, Golden Pledge warranty, doing the same install that we're doing, all the same drip edge, all of the same weather protection, then, you know, keep it reasonable. You know, within a few $1,000s on that big ticket job, or within $1,000 for that gutter job, because we know the quality of what we provide. And that's why we do charge more. But we also know that most of our competition does not ever match our quality. So,
nor our warranties. So there you have it. That's how the price match guarantee works and the psyche behind it. See y'all.